Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. If you guys don't know me, my name is Mark. I'm a Canadian aviation YouTube content creator and aviation photographer, as well as an aviation enthusiast. And my channel, Maple Leaf Aviation, is all about aviation as well as travel. And before we get into this video guys, I just want to tell you some bad news and some good news. Starting off with the depressing bad news. Unfortunately, my Instagram account, Maple Leaf Aviation, has been officially taken down. Now, usually at every end of my video since I started that Instagram account like last year, so it's almost been a year. I actually started that Instagram account, so usually I would be mentioning to follow me and my Instagram account in every video. But unfortunately, that's not the case until at least January when I make a new account. The problem is that that Instagram account did not get enough likes and not enough attention, as well as not enough views and stuff like that. So something to do with the likes and views, and something very personal. So unfortunately, it doesn't seem like nobody wanted to care. They kind of cared more about my YouTube channel, and I tried to get my YouTube viewers to come see that on Instagram, but I'm sure those would be, most of them, almost the entire majority of them would be like different viewers from different platforms between YouTube and Instagram. So unfortunately, my YouTube channel is working. Somehow my subscribers are going up, but on Instagram, I had already 111 followers. So today on December 27th, I have officially took it down. But the good news, hopefully in the new year, I can make a brand new Instagram account, and this time I'm going to follow all the steps, the skills that I need in order to succeed. Now, I know not everybody succeeds carefully, but this has to work, guys. So I'm just going to do personal things in order to make sure that that Instagram grows, and hopefully I can try to encourage and promote more of that Instagram account to you guys at every end of the video. Without further ado, this video is intentionally supposed to be my Christmas unboxing. Now I'm recording this on Sunday, December 27th, so just 2 days after Christmas Day, which I'm kind of feeling already good. I'm a little awkward since Christmas is over and we're in the period between Christmas and New Year's. But today, I'm going to take the opportunity to make sure I get this video out there sooner than later. So this is my official Christmas gift. I got several other Christmas gifts, but this is my only aviation-related gift on Christmas. And I'll thank Santa Claus for giving me that. So this is what I got for Christmas, guys. This is my Air Canada NG models Lockheed L1011 500. As you can see, it is really, really nice. So we're going to get into the unboxing video right now. The thing that makes this model really, really special is that for two things. Number one, this is one of the only retired aircraft that has been retired more later. I do own some retired aircraft, but they retired more recently. This plane retired from Air Canada's fleet around 1996. Please don't correct me if I'm mistaken, but I got good sources from Air Canada and also other good sources that told me the retirement of this aircraft. This is also the only Trijet that I own so far, because I never owned a Trijet. And this is also the only aircraft that is not Boeing or Airbus, because we all know that Boeing and Airbus dominate the sky more than any other manufacturer. So yeah, we don't have much manufacturers more than Boeing and Airbus. Lockheed tried to build an airliner like this, but unfortunately they built 250. But despite that, this airplane was still a good commercial success, at least for the comfort and the satisfaction of both passengers, flight crew, as well as pilots. So without further ado, guys, let's get into the unboxing. But first, we gotta check out what this box looks like. So I'm just gonna make sure that, yeah, so this is more of what the box looks like. And this is the sides. I'm just showing you each side. So, like I said, let's get into it. This is what we got as a result over here. So, just moving out my things. I'm recording this in my bedroom, aka half bedroom, half office. So, oops, sorry about the camera over here, guys. I just want to make sure that I can get a better view. So, if I zoom in, this is what the details of the aircraft look like. And yep, this is what it looks like on the ground right now. And in addition to that, I also got this lovely pencil over here, and I promise it's gonna be sharp enough. Well, it's not that perfectly sharp, but it's still sharp at least minimally, so I can point out all the nice details. Now, this aircraft is from NG Models, so since it's an old aircraft from NG Models, I'm sure this is going to provide lots and lots and lots of details. So let's get into it. Starting off the details over here, we got the typical cockpit window. I'm sure the L1011 would be really, really unique. I already know what the cockpit window looks like and also what's inside. And man, it looks like such an advanced airliner. The cockpit, for some reason, looks different. I kind of feel like that, in my opinion, the windows are kind of like even bigger than the 747's windows. But it's kind of just a little bit of my point of view. And then over here, you can see the pilot tubes, even the hatch. Wow, this is very detailed. Like this did not come from any of my family. It came from Santa Claus, just to let you know. I kind of mentioned it earlier in the video. So here we have the nose gear number 504, the typical Air Canada rondelle. And fun fact, Air Canada still uses this today. Starting off the aircraft over here, we have the typical cockpit window. This cockpit window, I can tell that from the inside it was really, really big. I did find some old photos of this aircraft of the size of the cockpit. Man, it's so nice. And here we have the typical Air Canada rondelle. We still use this today, of course, which makes the airline another iconic airline that we know. Here's the Air Canada titles. This is the L1 door and the L2 door. We got, even the landing lights are detailed. And look at this. The Rolls-Royce RB211 engines are really, really nice. Look at those shiny flaps and slats. At the time, aircraft were kind of like more like metal, and they kind of look more sophisticated. But today, modern aircraft like the 787, they kind of have more constructed, a lighter material. One difference about this aircraft that you can tell from, apart from the DC-10, because both of them look almost exactly each other. Besides the obvious difference because of the tail, you can also tell that there's no overwing exit. They just separate the exits across. Yeah, so anyways, here's the detail of the engine. Even the engine is so detailed, and you gotta thank NG Models. This is the leading edge. Look at the shape of the wings. Even so satisfying. There's the navigation lights. Here's the L3 door, and the unusual, well, it's usual on all L1011 aircraft, but this is like the tiny emergency exit. I'm sure it would be very, very small from the passenger's point of view. And also the lovely third engine, which the intake would come over here, and then the air would come out of here. And of course, one of the best details of a model airplane is the tail. And not only we're going from what you would see as like someone on the ground perspective, we're also going to check the top. Nothing much, I just see only antennas and beacon lights. But if you look on the bottom, this is really, really what you can tell of the aircraft. So I can tell this aircraft is really, really aged up by how the metal is. So yeah, there is a big difference between aircraft like aircraft of the L1011's time and the aircraft now in the modern days. So yeah, I kind of do wish the L1011 was back in the skies. It also had a really, really nice engine sound. And that wraps up today's video, everyone. Thank you so much today for watching. I really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. Especially, this is my lovely Christmas unboxing. If you guys have celebrated Christmas already, because I uploaded this video after Christmas Day, I really hope that you had a really, really wonderful Christmas. And for those who don't celebrate Christmas, I just want to wish you happy holidays and also a good rest of your day, and as well as the final days of 2020. Wishing you a very, very fantastic one. Hope you're doing really, really good. Just having a relaxing. So whatever you're doing, please, in general, have a really, really good time. Now, at the end of the video, like I said, I would usually be telling you to follow my Instagram, but I'm taking it down. It's going to be taken down by January 26, 2021. So that's kind of like 1 month from now. So yeah. So, a little bit bad news, but the good news is that in this video, I unboxed something really, really, really special. This plane has a lot of special, unique characteristics when you look at it, especially when I put it in my model airport, which I did for the first time yesterday, as soon as I got this model out of the Christmas wrapping paper. So like I said, now that my Instagram account no longer exists and I'm in the process of creating a new one, I'm going to create one in the new year. But yeah, so guys, thank you for watching so much. I hope you had a happy holidays, happy new year. This will be also the last video of 2020, just to let you know that. So please don't forget to like, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.